Hi, welcome. Now I am going to explain to you what is the ISEVEN function. Okay, ISEVEN function. Let's see what is ISEVEN. ISEVEN returns true if the number is even. So the ISEVEN function checks if you pass a number, it will check and find out whether the number is even or not. If it is even, it will return true. Okay, if it is not even, in other words, if it is odd, it will return false. Okay, so I give ISEVEN of this number. Okay, enter false, because 367 which is not even, so it brings false. Okay, similarly ISEVEN of 781, since it is also not even, it brings false. 861 is even, so it's basically it checks and find out whether it is even number or not. Okay, false. Then ISEVEN of 430 is true. Okay, so this is even number. How do you find a even number or odd numbers? Okay, so those numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 or even numbers. Okay, those numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 or even numbers. So this number ending with 0 and it returns true because it's a even number, and 2526 is also must be a even number. Okay, because it ends with 6. Okay, 57 ending with a 725 and a 907 or odd numbers, so it is false. These two again is even numbers, so it's true. Okay, this way you can use ISEVEN function to find out whether a number is true or false. Okay, so now I am going to do a small exercise here. I am going to paint the columns. The columns even rows are in blue color. Okay, how can I do that? So I select, I will do the, so first of all, even rows, so I must find out row number of a cell. Okay, which is row, close the bracket, then it will return row number of the current cell. Okay, so it is 1, so for each number it will return the row number. Okay, if you pass on to each cell the row, close bracket, it will return the row number. Okay, to find each row of this column is even or odd, how to find it? Use ISEVEN of row number. Okay, of each row, so you will see the even ones are true. Okay, this way we are going to find out whether to color it or not. Okay, the cell. Okay, so how can we do? Go here, click on E, home, then conditional formatting. We have a new rule. In the rule you go to use a formula to determine which cells to format. That formula is equal to whether it is even or not of the row number of the current cell. So you get the row number of the current cell, then you also make sure it is even, then format. Okay, so formatting I am going to fill with the blue color. Okay, press OK, then it returns to new formatting rule. There you press OK also. You can see the wherever the true comes, the cell row number is even, the conditional formatting coloring the cells to blue. Okay, This way you can start using ISEVEN function to find out a number is even or not. Okay, it will return true when the number is even, it will return false when the number is not even. Hope this video is helpful to you. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. The Alan Sum button is already available in the screen itself. Please press on that, give your comments and suggestions, and God bless you.